With FlowForma Copilot, building workflows is effortless. Whether you type a prompt, upload a diagram, or use voice input, Copilot instantly structures your process flow. Simply enter your request and click Generate, and watch it come to life. FlowForma Copilot automatically structures your onboarding process using steps, questions, and rules at lightning speed. Once your process flow is generated, take a moment to review its structure. If everything looks good, click Build to transform it into a fully interactive workflow. Expand each section to review the suggested steps and questions. Need to tweak the workflow? No problem. FlowForma makes customization seamless, ensuring the workflow meets your exact requirements. Click Edit Conditions to establish triggers that determine when and how actions should be executed. This ensures your workflow runs with precision. Now define what happens once the trigger conditions are met. Whether it's hiding a step, showing a question, or redirecting the user, simply configure the action and click Save to apply the logic. Once everything is set up, click Save to securely store your workflow, ensuring all modifications are preserved and ready for use. Click Test Form to experience your workflow in real time. Enter sample data and watch how it dynamically adapts based on the conditions you've set. At the top, you'll see the complete onboarding process for Structured in Seconds by FlowForma Copilot. This is a perfect example of how effortlessly you can transform a simple idea into a fully automated, intelligent workflow. And just like that, your process is live. With FlowForma, workflow automation is smarter, faster, and easier than ever before.